Hey guys, it's me Zainab and welcome back to my channel. And this video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be playing Among Us. So let's just get started, and thank you so much guys for 1,000 subscribers. It's amazing. Like 2 days ago I was at 800 and now I'm at 1,000. It's amazing, and let's just start playing Among Us. And also, if you guys want to know how I made these bunny ears, just go to my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. And now let's play Among Us. So, we're gonna play. And my name is not Sus because some people just think that I'm sus. So that's why I named myself not Sus. I'm gonna move this right over here. Let's play. Okay, we're in a game. It has 7 people in it. No, I need to change my color. I'll be orange. Yeah, I'll be orange. Settings are good. Okay, now let's play. I'm a crewmate as usual. Nothing different in it because I'm always crewmate. I'm just gonna move this over here so I can see all my tasks. I have 1 communication task. I have navigation task, electrical task, and I also have a admin task. Okay. Blue. Where? Purple ran the other way. I saw him kill on cams. Okay. Where's blue? Vote blue, vote blue, vote blue. Okay, well, blue's voting out. Blue's getting voted out because I saw blue running from electrical, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. She was an imposter. Or he was an imposter, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do my tasks. The speed is really high, so I know what to do. Can I do my task, please? Thank you. There we go. Someone reported the body. Security. I don't know who came for security. I'm not sure. I didn't saw anyone. Someone voted for purple, and purple's getting voted out. Purple's voted out. Let's see. Oh, the imposter's gone. And okay, I need to fix sabotage. 86956. 86956. Is no one going to do the O2? I already fixed that one. No, we're gonna be dead. 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 Yes, we're dead. Well, great game. It was red. I thought it was red, but I don't know. Only black, actually. Sorry about I'm moving like my picture everywhere because I need to see what I'm doing because I can't see anything with my picture. Okay. GG. Well, okay. Next game. I'm imposter. Cool. It's gonna be really fun, so yeah. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, why are people leaving? Try to do it too. Is anyone electrical? No. Okay, we won. Well, weird game, but we won. So I played 2 times on the Scout map. Now I'm going to play on the Mira HQ map because I'm going to be playing on every single map. On all 3 maps, I guess. I'm gonna be red, actually. I'm gonna be red. Okay, good. We're starting. I'm a crewmate as usual. I was an imposter once, but I'm not always imposter. I have to move this over here so I can see my tasks. I only have 1 task. That is the admin task. I have to go to admin, and here's my task. 131 131 9. Oh my gosh, I was doing my task. Red is sus. Why me? I said nay. Well, I'm not sus. You can't say everyone is sus. Red sus. Well, I didn't even do a thing, so you can't call me sus. That's why I named myself not sus, but I guess they're gonna vote me out. Okay, it was a tie. I don't know why this said I'm sus, but I don't know. I'm not the imposter, bro. I'm a crewmate. Okay. I need to do my task. The speed is so high I can't even do my task. Okay. What is it called? 131131996. Okay, there we go. I have absolutely nothing to do now. Here. Why me? Oh my gosh, it's not me. I was with you, Cyan. They're just gonna vote me out for no reason. Red is sus. Yeah, of course I'm sus. And you're gonna see that it's not me. Well, I was with you. Okay, they're just voting me out. For absolutely no reason, I was with Cyan and I was an imposter. Now Red Sus knows that it was not me because he was voting me out for no reason. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna change my color because people are gonna say that I'm sus. I'm gonna be lying. Yeah, I'm gonna be lying. Yeah, right, Daisy. Crewmate. Now the red sus guy is gonna say that this, like, cherry guy is sus. What task do I have? I have the same task. As I had before. 9, 9, 2, 9, 2. And there we go. I'm done with my task, and we won. Now I'm gonna play on the Polis map, and then yeah. Okay, let's play on the Polis map. Okay, there we go. Let me blue. Okay, let's start. Am I an imposter? Ooh, I'm an imposter. Great. Oops, I'm an imposter. Okay, I have a few tasks. I'm gonna go to security, look at the security cams. Maybe I can kill Pink. No, I can't because, okay, someone found the body. And we won. Wow, that was really quick. You know why a bunch of people just left? For some reason, I'm gonna be black. Yeah. Black. My most favorite map to play on is the Skeld map because it's just really easy to play on. I have played in like a bunch of times on the Skeld map, like a lot of times. So I'm really good at the Skeld map, but I'm not that good on Mirror HQ and the Polis map. But I don't know. Okay, I have keys. The speed is really high. I can't even do my task. Okay, there we go. Okay, what's happening? Okay. I need to go to electrical. This is electrical. Where's my task? Okay, I did absolutely nothing. And lots of people are dead. Hi. Okay. Is there anyone named Hi? Security. I think it's self-work. Oh, green voted for me for no reason, absolutely. I don't know why, but who was the imposter? It's really laggy. What's happening? I had to leave that game because that game was like really glitchy and I couldn't play. But I want to play on the Skeld map now. This is going to be the last. And I'm going to play on the Skeld map and yeah. And comment down below what videos you want me to make, because I don't have that much ideas, but you guys can comment down below and tell me what videos you guys want me to make, so I'll make them. We're already starting. No, don't start yet. Okay, now you can start because there's a limit of imposters, and now we can play as 3 imposters, so it's gonna be fun. Can I be imposter? Okay, I'm crewmate. I'm not gonna be imposter because it's really hard to be imposter. Okay, I have a few tasks. I'm gonna go to admin first to do my swipe. Okay, someone found the body. Who died? It says I died, but I didn't. Yeah, yellow was with me, but how did I die? I'm gonna leave that game, it's really glitchy. So this was me playing Among Us, and it was really glitchy and really fun. And stay tuned for the live stream. I'm going to be doing it soon. So yeah, and bye guys.